upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a little princess named Barbie. She lived in a sparkling, enchanted castle surrounded by endless gardens filled with colorful flowers, majestic fountains, and birds that sang the sweetest melodies. Little Barbie Princess was not only kind-hearted but also curious and adventurous. Every morning, she would look out her window, dreaming of magical places beyond the castle walls. One sunny morning, as she was having her breakfast with her mother, Queen Isabella, and her father, King Leonard, strange, dazzling light appeared outside. The sky was clear and blue, but a magnificent rainbow had suddenly stretched across it, brighter and more colorful than any rainbow Barbie had ever seen. "Look, Mother! Look, Father!" she cried, pointing out the window. "Have you ever seen such a beautiful rainbow?" Her parents joined her at the window, marveling at the vibrant colors: ruby red, sunflower yellow, emerald green, sapphire blue, and violet as rich as amethyst. "I've never seen anything like it, Barbie," said Queen Isabella with a smile. "It must be very special." Filled with wonder, Barbie ran to the castle garden to get a better look at the rainbow. As she approached, she noticed something magical. The rainbow seemed to sparkle and shimmer, and she felt a warm, inviting glow from it. And then, just as if it were calling to her, a small path made of soft, golden light appeared, leading straight to the foot of the rainbow. Barbie's eyes sparkled with excitement. She wanted to follow the path, to see where it led. Just as she was about to take her first step, a tiny voice called out from behind her. "Princess Barbie! Wait for me!" It was her best friend, a little bunny named Fluffy. Fluffy was white as snow, with long, soft ears and a little pink nose that twitched whenever he was excited. "Are we going on an adventure?" Fluffy asked, hopping up and down with joy. "Yes, Fluffy. I think the rainbow is calling to us," Barbie replied with a grin. She took Fluffy's paw in her hand, and together they stepped onto the golden path, feeling a tingly warmth all around them. As they walked, the colors of the rainbow seemed to grow brighter, surrounding them with shades they had never seen before. Soon, they reached the base of the rainbow, where a little door was hidden among the colors. Barbie gently knocked, and the door opened with a soft creak. To her amazement, behind the door was a world full of vibrant colors and magical creatures. Sparkling fairies flitted through the air, colorful birds sang sweet melodies, and streams of glittering water flowed through fields of golden flowers. The sky itself looked like it was painted with a rainbow of swirling clouds. "Welcome, Princess Barbie and Fluffy," called a tiny, cheerful voice. Barbie looked around and saw a small, shimmering fairy with wings as radiant as a peacock's feathers. She wore a sparkling gown that glistened in all the colors of the rainbow. "Hello! I'm Rainbow Fairy Twyla," the fairy said, doing a graceful twirl in the air. "I'm the guardian of this magical land, and I'm so happy you're here. I was hoping you'd visit us today." Barbie and Fluffy's eyes sparkled with wonder as they looked around. It felt like a dream, and they couldn't believe such a beautiful place existed. "Twyla, your world is amazing. I've never seen so many colors," Barbie said, spinning around in joy. Rainbow Fairy Twyla laughed. "Thank you, Princess Barbie. We call this the land of the everlasting rainbow, and it's a place full of magic and happiness. But today, we need your help." "Our help?" Barbie asked, surprised. Twyla nodded, her face growing serious. "Yes, you see, the rainbow's colors are starting to fade, and if they disappear completely, our world will lose its magic. We need someone brave and kind-hearted to restore the colors, and I believe you're the perfect one to help us." Barbie's heart swelled with determination. "Of course, Twyla. I would love to help you save the rainbow." Fluffy chimed in, hopping up and down. "Yes, we're here to help." Twyla smiled gratefully. "Thank you both. To restore the rainbow's colors, you'll need to visit each of the rainbow realms, one for each color. In each realm, you'll meet a guardian who will give you a magical item filled with their color. Once you've collected all the colors, you can restore the rainbow's magic." Barbie and Fluffy nodded, ready for the adventure. Twyla waved her wand, and a shimmering map appeared in Barbie's hands. The map showed 7 different realms, each glowing with a unique color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. "Good luck, my friends," Twyla said, waving them off as they began their journey. The realms of color. Their first stop was the realm of red, a land filled with vibrant red roses, sparkling rubies, and lively red birds. There, they met Ruby, the guardian of red, who gifted them a ruby amulet that glowed with a deep, warm light. "Hold this amulet close, and it will fill your heart with courage," Ruby said, smiling kindly. Next, they ventured to the realm of orange, a place glowing with golden orange light, where friendly foxes played among orange trees. The guardian here was Amber, a wise old owl who presented them with a glowing orange crystal. "Let this crystal remind you of joy and friendship," Amber said, nodding wisely. The journey continued, and each realm was more beautiful than the last. In the realm of yellow, they met Sunny, the cheerful sunflower spirit who gave them a golden sunflower seed that radiated warmth and happiness. In the realm of green, they met Emerald, the gentle forest sprite, who gifted them a shimmering emerald leaf. "This leaf holds the strength and calmness of nature," she explained. As they traveled through each realm, Barbie and Fluffy collected more magical items: a sapphire feather from the realm of blue, representing wisdom and kindness, and an indigo gem from the realm of indigo, which symbolized peace and mystery. Finally, they arrived in the realm of violet, where they met Amethyst, the regal guardian of the violet realm. She gifted them a beautiful violet stone that sparkled with magic and wonder. "With these colors, you hold the essence of the rainbow. It's time to restore the magic," Amethyst said, bowing to them. Restoring the rainbow. Barbie and Fluffy returned to the land of the everlasting rainbow, where Twyla was waiting for them. She led them to the center of the magical land, where a fountain shaped like a rainbow stood, its waters shimmering with a faint, fading light. "Place each item into the fountain," Twyla instructed, "and let the colors return to their full glory." Barbie took each magical item and gently placed them one by one into the fountain. As she did, dazzling light burst forth from the fountain, and streams of color shot up into the sky. The rainbow began to glow brighter, its colors deepening and radiating like never before. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet filled the sky, weaving together in a mesmerizing dance of color and light. The land of the everlasting rainbow sparkled with renewed magic, and every creature cheered with joy. "You did it, Princess Barbie!" Twyla exclaimed, clapping her tiny hands. "The rainbow is restored, and our land will be filled with magic forever." Barbie smiled, feeling a deep sense of happiness and pride. She hugged Fluffy, who was beaming with joy. "This was the most magical adventure I've ever had," Barbie said, looking around at the beautiful rainbow that stretched across the sky. Twyla fluttered over and placed a sparkling rainbow crown on Barbie's head. "As a thank you for saving our world, you are now the honorary princess of the everlasting rainbow." Barbie's heart was filled with gratitude. She waved goodbye to all the new friends she had made in each realm, promising to return someday. Back home, with a final farewell, Barbie and Fluffy stepped through the magical door, back to the garden of their castle. The sun was setting, and the sky was painted with the colors of the rainbow, just like the magical world they had left behind. Barbie held the memories of her adventure close to her heart, and from that day forward, every time she saw a rainbow, she remembered the land of magic and color she had helped save. And whenever a rainbow appeared, Barbie would smile, knowing that somewhere, her friends in the land of the everlasting rainbow were smiling back. And so, little Barbie Princess and Fluffy returned to their kingdom, filled with new memories and a heart full of color and joy, ready for more magical adventures to come. The end.